Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So I am your computer and GK teachers from LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, in previous video we have do the revision of some topics, that is topic and today we will do the another. So we have done the revision of topics one and the topic is 3. Okay, so and topic is 4. Today we will do the revision of topic 12, 15 and on 33. Today we will do the revision of topic 12, 15 and 30 on 33. So let's start from topic 12, that is world famous building. That is world famous building. Our world has many buildings which are famous either for their unique architecture or for their historical importance. Means we have many buildings in our world, and each and every buildings have their unique architects and their historical importance. By this they are famous. So today we will do here given some statements about some world famous buildings are given below. Write true or false. So we have to write the true or false. See here, White House. Okay, first one is White House is the official residence of the President of USA. Is it? White House is the official residence of the President of USA? Yes, it is. So it is true. The spelling of true is, you know, all of you, T-R-U-E, true. And second is Kaaba is a small building in Makkah. Kaaba is a small building in Makkah. It is the chief pilgrimage site for Hindus. It is the chief pilgrimage site for Hindus. Is it? Kaaba is a small building in Makkah. It is the chief pilgrimage site for Hindus? No. It is for what? It is the chief pilgrimage site for Muslims. So it is false. So this sentence is false. The spelling of false is F-A-L-S-E. False. And come to the third. Buckingham Palace is the official residence of the royal family of UK. Buckingham Palace is the official residence of the royal family of UK. Is it? It is the official residence of the royal family of UK? Yes, it is. So it is true. It is true. Now come to the sentence 4. Abu Simbel is an ancient temple. Abu Simbel is an ancient temple located in Egypt and is carved out of solid sandstones. I repeat again, Abu Simbel is an ancient temple which is located in Egypt and is carved out of solid sandstones. Is it true? Yes. Is it true? Okay. Is it carved with solid sandstone? So it is true. Fifth one. Scotland Yard is the largest office building in the world. Scotland Yard is the largest office building in the world. Okay. It is the headquarters of the Department of Defense of USA. Is it? It is the headquarters of the Department of Defense of USA? No, it is not. So it is what? It is false. Okay. It is false. Sixth one is Petronas Tower is the tallest building in the world and is located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Petronas Tower is a very tallest building in the world, and this building is located in Kuala Lumpur, which is situated in Malaysia. Is it? Yes, is it? So it is true. It is true. Come to the next, that is 7-1. See here, 7. Birla Temple, built between AD 800 to 1200, is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Birla Temple is built between AD 800 to 1200. Is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Is it? Is it? No. So it is what? It is false. Birla Temple built in AD is located? No, it is a temple of what? It is a temple of Ganesha. Okay? So it is false. And come to the 8. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official. Is it the Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India? Yes. The President of India is live in Rashtrapati Bhavan. So it is the residence of the President of India. So it is true. It is what? It is true. Okay. Now come to the next, that is next topic. See here. Here some pictures are given about Rashtrapati Bhavan, Abu Simbel, Birla Temple, White House, Buckingham Palace and Petronas Tower. So you can able to see this here. This is all these are the famous buildings in the world. Okay. Next come to the topic 15. Topic 15. 15 sobriquets. In the name of the topic is sobriquets. Okay. See here, in this many of my friends have nicknames. Many of your friends have the nicknames and names they are given loving by their friends और relatives. बहुत सारे ऐसे होते हैं जिनके घर में उनके जो नेम्स स्कूल में होते हैं, उसके अलावा उनके निकनेम्स भी होते हैं. उसी तरह बहुत सी ऐसी कंट्रीज भी है जिनके निकनेम्स हैं. हम कुछ ऐसी कंट्रीज के निकनेम्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. वी विल स्टडी अबाउट सम द नेम ऑफ द निकनेम्स ऑफ द कंट्रीज. ओके. See here, we have to tell me which countries nicknames are given below. Here some nicknames of the given here. We have to say the name of the countries. We have to say the name of the countries. Here is a list of nicknames of some countries. So we have to read and guess it with the name of the country. The first one is Sick Man of Europe. Can you guess which countries have this nickname? Yes, Sick Man of Europe. It is Turkey. A country's name is what? Turkey. Turkey's nickname is Sick Man of Europe. Okay. Then second is Playground of Europe. Can you guess which country having the nickname Playground of Europe? Yes, it is Switzerland. It is Switzerland. First one is Sick Man of Europe. The spelling is Turkey, Turkey. And second one, Playground of Europe. This is the nickname of the. So the spelling of Switzerland is SWITZERLAND. Switzerland. Now third, Land of Kangaroos. Land of Kangaroos. Can you guess the name of the country? Which country have the nickname Land of Kangaroos? Yes, Australia. It is Australia. The spelling of Australia is AUSTRALIA. Australia. Okay. Now come to the next. That is fourth one, Holy Land. Holy Land. Can you guess the name of the country having the nickname Holy Land? Yes, it is Palestine. The name of the country is Palestine. The spelling is PALESTINE. Palestine. Okay. Then fifth one is Land of the Golden Pagodas. Land of the Golden Pagoda. So can you guess the name of the country having the nickname Land of the Golden Pagoda? Yes, the name of the country is Myanmar. The name of the country is Myanmar. Spelling is Myanmar. Myanmar. Come to the sixth point, that is key to the Mediterranean. Key to the Mediterranean. Key to the Mediterranean. Okay. So can you guess the name of the country of having the nickname Key to the Mediterranean? That is what? Gibraltar. The name of the country is Gibraltar. The spelling is Gibraltar. Gibraltar. Okay. Next one is 7-1, that is Land of the Rising Sun. Land of the Rising Sun. So, can you get the name of the country having the nickname Land of the Rising Sun? Yes, it is Japan. Japan is having the nickname Land of the Rising Sun. Spelling is Japan. Japan. Okay. Now come to the next 8-1, that is Land of Morning Calm. Land of Morning Calm. Can you guess the name of the country having the nickname Land of Morning Calm? Yes, the name of the country is Korea. The name of the country is Korea. Spelling Korea. Korea. Then next, Land of the Flying Fish. Land of the Flying Fish. Can you guess the name of the country having the nickname Land of the Flying Fish? Yes, it is. It is what? Barbados. It is Barbados. Spelling is Barbados. Barbados. Now come to the 10th one. Land of Lilies. Land of Lilies. Okay. Can you guess the name of the country having the nickname Land of Lilies? Yes, the name of the country is Canada. The name of the country is Canada. Spelling is Canada. Canada. Okay, now come to the topic 11. See here in 11. Island of Pearls. Island of Pearls. See, Island of Pearls. Can you guess the name of the country having the nickname Island of Pearls? It is what? Can you? It is Bahrain. It is Bahrain. The name of the country is Bahrain. The spelling is Bahrain. Bahrain. Okay. Now 12 point. Reach Coast. Reach Coast. Can you guess the name of the country having the nickname Reach Coast? As it is, the name of the country is Costa Rica. The name of the country is Costa Rica. Spelling Costa. Costa Rica. Rica. Costa Rica. Okay. Now come to the 13th, that is Land of the Midnight Sun. Can you guess the name of the country having the nickname Land of the Midnight Sun? Yes, it is Norway. The name of the country is Norway. Spelling is Norway. Norway. Then next is 14, that is Land of Cakes. Land of Cakes. Can you get the name of the country having the nickname Land of Cakes? It is what? Yeah, the name of the country is Scotland, having the nickname Land of Cakes. Spelling is Scotland. Scotland. Then last one is, that is Land of Thousands Lakes. Land of Thousands Lakes. Can you guess the name of the country having the nickname Land of Thousands Lakes? Yeah, the name of the country is Finland. The name of the country is Finland. spelling is Finland. Finland. See here, spelling is Finland. Finland. So by this we have completed the revision of topic 15 also. Now we will now go to the topic 33, that is analogies. That is what? Analogies. In this we have to try to complete the relationship of the third words using the described relationships between the first two words. Okay. See here, this is the MCQ questions. First one is, odometer is to mileage as compass is to. Odometer is to mileage as compass is to. Speed, hicking, needle. Answer, okay? Speed, hicking, needle and direction. We have 4 options. So correct answer is D, that is direction. Second one is, window it to pen as book is to. Window is to pen as book is to cover. Correct answer is C, cover. C-O-V-E-R, cover. Then third one is, cup is to coffee. Cup is to coffee as bowl is to dish, soup, spoon, food. The correct answer is option B, soup. कप जो है कॉफ़ी के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, तो बाउल जो है हम सूप के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. स्पेलिंग इज SOUP, soup. Okay. Then come to the next, that is fourth one. Optimist is to cheerful as pessimist is to. Optimist is to cheerful as pessimist is to. Gloomy, menu, petty, helpful. The correct answer is A, gloomy. GLOOMY, gloomy. Then fifth one is, reptile is to lizard as flower is to. Reptile is to lizard as flower is to. Petals, stem, daisy, root. The correct answer is C, daisy. Reptile is to lizard as flower is to daisy. Then come to the sixth. Sponge is to porous as rubber is to. Sponge is to porous as rubber is to elastic. The correct answer is option C. We have 4 options: massive, solid, elastic and inflexible. But correct answer is elastic. Rubber is to elastic. Then come to the 7. Pen is to poet. Pen is to poet as needle is to टेलर. पेन को जो है पोएट को, पेन की ज़रूरत पोएट को है, तो सुई की ज़रूरत किसको है? टेलर को है. सो थ्रेड, बटन, सीविंग, टेलर. द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, टेलर. द करेक्ट आंसर इज टेलर. नीडल इज टू टेलर. नाउ कम टू द 8. सीक्रेटली इज टू ओपनली एज साइलेंटली इज टू. Secretly is to openly. So we have option scarcely, impolitely, noisily, quietly. So correct answer is C, noisily. C, noisily. Secret को अगर ओपन किया जाता है तो साइलेंट को तोड़ा जाता है. It means noise किया जाता है. Silently is to noisily. Now come to the 9. Exercise is to gymnasium. एक्सरसाइज जो है कहाँ होता है? जिम्नेजियम में. एज ईटिंग इज टू, जी अगर हम एक्सरसाइज जिम में करते हैं तो हम खाना खाने का कुछ खाना हो तो कहाँ जाते हैं? फूड, डाइटिंग, फिटनेस, रेस्टोरेंट. यस, द करेक्ट आंसर इज रेस्टोरेंट. एक्सरसाइज इज टू जिम्नेजियम एज ईटिंग इज टू रेस्टोरेंट. ओके, द करेक्ट आंसर इज रेस्टोरेंट. लास्ट वन इज guide is to direct as reduce is to. guide is to direct. then guide करना मतलब भी किसी को सलाह राय, किसी को बताना, समझाना. तो reduce का मतलब क्या हो गया? कम करना, घटाना. it means we have 4 option: decrease, maintain, increase, preserve. so correct answer is A, decrease. reduce is to decrease. Okay, so by this we have completed the revision of on these 3 topics. So please go through only this topic and learn it by heart. Take care of yourself at home and be concentrated on your study. We will meet in the next video with the next divisional explanation. Okay, then bye. Thanks to listening me. And those who have not completed their books, if they are having incomplete work, so complete it also with this video and PDF. Whatever the PDF I will send you, please write it in the fair copy. Okay, then bye. Thank you.